Bihu, but my dad popularized it across Assam and also worldwide in those communities across the world. We were born in 95,
Who?
you and I.
Oh well.
They'll think we're dinosaurs. No, but वो है ना, जब जो होना होता है तभी होता है. You know it by now, है ना? I'm like, we can force a bit. I mean, you are the one actually. You are one guy who can, amongst all of us, you make things happen.
इतने साल हो गए, medieval pundits, Delhi, Karsh Kale, in all these years, Papon, we haven't worked a single time as a Salim Suleiman Papon song.
No.
And it had to be a Bhumi for us to do it. You know, बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ. I mean, you know it. I called you to sing, and then कई बार the range was, you know, sometimes this thing, sometimes your dates were not available, sometimes, you know, things didn't work out.
Yeah.
I think the universe has a great way of getting us together and putting us together on, you know, for you to give your मखमली आवाज to our melodies.
No, but वो है ना, जब जो होना होता है तभी होता है. You know it by now, है ना? I'm like, we can force a bit. I mean, you are the one actually. You are one guy who can, amongst all of us, you make things happen. We let things little happen on its own. So, ये if you wouldn't have done it, अभी इस साल भी रह जाता. Like last to last year we did Bhumi, but still it was not a Salim Suleiman song. So I kept telling you,
thank God it was, because I really wanted you to give me beautiful Bihu Assamese flavor.
Also,
I know आपकी बड़ी वो थी, reservation थी कि यार नहीं, मैं नहीं करूँगा बिहू, मैं बहुत कर लिया हूँ. बोला देख यार, बिहू 6/8, African music 6/8, let's do some beautiful collaboration. Then somehow you got convinced कि नहीं करते.
No, मेरा ये था ही for very long. If I wanted to do Afro Bihu, African, because I feel that Peruvian African beat is
correct.
But I thought I had been doing so much Bihu, so I never thought that I want to do Bihu right now. But if it was something so different, as I told you, कि यार फिर करना तो कुछ और करते हैं, अफ्रीका करते हैं, यूसिटा करते हैं. So that's why it happened. But otherwise, yeah. But no, coming back to this song, I think any of your compositions, I've never sung any one composition. So after so long.
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ, इतने साल. I mean, I've known you for
like
so many years.
We know each other for so long. Like, you know, in much before anything, actually.
I don't know if you remember, but you had come to my home after one of the Pandits' gigs in Mumbai.
I remember that. I don't know if you remember, you had just come from London or somewhere. We were at Goregaon East at Jatin Studio. You were doing some...
Of course.
880 or 1680, I think.
Bhai,
you remember those recorders?
Do you know what project that was?
Bhumi only, no?
Exactly. I started Bhumi at Jatin Studio.
You just told me then.
In 1998. It was 1998 when I did Bhumi.
How many years now?
It's been...
We were born in 95.
Who?
You and I.
Oh well.
They'll think we're dinosaurs.
No,
we are dinosaurs.
But seriously, Bhumi की शुरुआत, you know, it's and Assam से मेरा बहुत strong वो connection है, especially with Jatin, with Zubin, Dhrubo, and so many amazing friends that I've worked with. But tell me honestly, when you first heard this composition, Papon, कैसा आपको क्या vibe आई थी? मतलब I know you said that it's a good song and whatever, but ऐसा कुछ लगा कि यार ये गाना मैं कुछ अपनी चीज़ और डाल सकूं या कुछ और इस पे, you know, because obviously Bhumi is a collaboration project and it always has. Tell me how you felt.
As I said, even during the shoot today, we heard it few times to shoot it, and it's growing. I told you at the end of it. So now I told you also I want to do a change there, one line something. So yeah, I think it's a song which is growing and growing already within me. I mean, in me. So first when I sang it is a good song, right space, beautifully composed, and something I would love to do. And then put in the mix Shreya when you say it. I said, Shreya and she told me today that when I sing with you, it just locks the voices, the range, the everything.
Yeah.
So, सब कुछ मिला के तो अच्छा है, but from the beginning till now already, before we have even released the song, it's already grown like, 3 times, 4 times in me. So, which means it'll grow. And if someone listens to it, it's a song which will stay, I think. And I think you will yourself, after some time when you listen to it again, you'll hear it a different way than what you composed. Or who knows, or how you mixed it.
I don't think so, man. You must have realized that I've heard the song a million times already.
We do that while doing it, but when you sit back after, or whenever you see, we do this or produce, till the mix master, we must have heard like thousands of times.
Yes.
But you give it a space 6 months, and then later sometimes you realize, oh wow, ye kab kiya maine? You feel like that sometimes. So I think this song will surprise you again. I feel like that.
I hope so, really. I mean, I know that इसकी मेलोडी मुझे बहुत छूती है मेरे दिल के बहुत, और मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, मैं मदन जी का बड़ा फैन हूँ. I wanted to try and do a Madan Mohan kind of a composition, just because I'm a deep follower of his art and his music. So just to come a little closer to his style was a big challenge for me. So I tried that, and I mean, we've made songs. It's especially सात मात्रा में ये हौसला है, मौला मेरे ले ले मेरी जान, ऐसे बहुत गाने हमने. सात मात्रा is one of my most favorite rhythm cycles, and we've done some pretty cool songs in 7 beats. But yes, to do a romantic song like that, which is talking about कि पहले क्यों ना मिले,
वही
इतने
the thought.
साल बिता दिए हमने, और फिर भी एक शिकायत है कि यार काश तुम पहले मिले होते मुझे.
That's what someone asking me today. What about the thought of the song? So like amazing Shraddha's like really simple words में जो कहा है बातों को.
बट बहुत गहरे वर्ड्स.
हाँ. नहीं,
फीलिंग बड़ी
but अल्फाज simple हो और thought वैसा हो जो कि लगे, तो then it goes to many more people, and this is what she's done.
Truly.
And at the same time, मुझे कोई वही मैं पूछ रहा था कि so I said पहले ना क्यों मिले. It could be at any level, it need not be that romance of a girl and a boy. It can be हम क्यों पहले नहीं मिले, गाना क्यों पहले नहीं बनाया. It can be like so many things. You can always feel good about, oh shit, and you always feel like that, oh no, why didn't we do this before? So beautiful thought.
Yeah, no, it's turned out to be. I think after the melody, immediately she started thinking, and I mean, it was. I really like working with her. It's a great. We have a great synergy when you come, because she also a singer. Basically, she's a singer.
Yeah.
तो meter, choice of words, phonetics, ये सब चीजें बड़ी आसानी से आ जाते हैं, and ये जितने भी गायक जो है ना, जो लिखते हैं, अच्छा लिखते हैं, उनमें एक खूबी है ये एक बात कि मीटर और म्यूजिक सेंस और फोनेटिक्स. अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य is one of them also. Very beautifully, like very poetic in terms of very tayyar, very this thing. So I find that in Shraddha very strong. Like she has a great quality and pakad for.
Very nice. And she has good choice of words.
Bilkul, absolutely. How much water do you drink?
I should be drinking 3, I guess, liters, but
That's
I don't
great,
know.
bro.
But I do at least 2 liters, I think. That's a good looking flask.
So basically, since I was, I've been using these products since a long time. टिफिन बिफिन मेरा मिल्टन का ही है. घर का जो टिफिन है वो मेरा मिल्टन का ही है.
मिल्टन तो मैं स्कूल से ही लेता हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली. और मैं बॉटल्स जब ये बॉटल मैंने डिस्कवर किया ना, तो इट वाज वेरी गुड, बिकॉज जनरली यू ग्लग वाटर लाइक दैट ना, उसमें पानी कभी ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं आप, सो इट्स नाइस. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ रियली कूल सिपर.
मिल्टन में स्कूल से बचपन से 1 साल का सप्लाई.
आ रहे हैं. ओके, दिस इज अ मिल्टन रैपिड फायर ब्रो. ओके, सो which chai would you prefer in the Milton cup? Mumbai's, this is the Milton cup. You would prefer the Mumbai's cutting chai or Assam's green tea?
Red tea, it's actually not black tea, Lal Sa.
Lal Sa. And that's obviously Assamese.
Yes.
Okay. Milton keeps things fresh. How do you keep your own voice fresh, bro, while singing countless songs?
Sipping Lal Sa from a Milton cup.
Hi. That's crazy.
Isn't it?
Good one, bro. Good one.
Very
good one. We have some really cool Milton things.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So, some great products here for some flasks, some water, some sipper, some... One picture, Bapu.
Coming, no?
I know that, Papon, you're singing a lot, metroing all over and doing a lot of interesting things. But I want to ask you more about your independent music. मुझे पता है कि आप बीच में 2-3 singles आपके किए, and you did some, really cool, beautiful songs. You sent me that one of your releases, your videos. It was a travel song, and I really liked it.
Ab Rukna Mat.
Ab Rukna Mat. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. And such, some nice compositions you've done recently, which has a little bit of a pop rock vibe, but also a ghazal vibe. It's kind of very interesting combination. So where are you going with that? Are you doing more with that?
Yeah. I have to release a song a month. But no one, we are not like you. We're like sitting, chilling, making houses in the sky. But yeah, it is happening. Hopefully this year. So I'm working on these 2 Ghazal albums. Once they are out, then I want to get into the compositions I'm sitting with. So a lot of them actually. I might just come to you for something also.
Let's go, man.
So that's the plan. There are a lot of songs I've been sitting with. Let's see when it कब होता है.
आप जब कॉन्सर्ट करते हो तो obviously people are expecting you to sing, especially when you do concerts in East, in Assam or in that area, in that region. तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, मतलब बिकॉज आपके हिंदी गाने इतने पॉपुलर है एंड असमीज तो ऑफ कोर्स है ही, तो कैसे आप डिवाइड करते हो सेट लिस्ट? यार
असम में तो मैं अभी कम ही कर रहा हूँ, बहुत दिन हो गए असम में शोज किए.
पर ऐसे
बिकॉज वी बीन जस्ट हाउ इट इज, नो डेट्स फुल होते रहते हैं, कैलेंडर में है ही नहीं अभी. टिल February I just got to know that because weekends में नहीं shows होते हैं, Saturday Sunday. So every weekend I have shows till February 21st.
That's the harvest season.
I'm not thinking about season, but from now on every weekend there's a show somewhere. तो हो नहीं पा रहा है. Bihu is a season when I go to Assam. Last year I couldn't. This year maybe I will. So that is when I club all these different districts and cities, towns in across Assam to do shows.
But then in those shows, do you sing Hindi?
No, not at all.
At all, no?
Just Assamese. Yeah. Only my own songs. It's a different feeling, and sometimes.
But ऐसा बहुत बार होता है पापोन that let's say you perform in Bangalore. I know तुम बैंगलोर में बहुत shows करते हो. तो बैंगलोर में क्या होता है कि there is a Assamese crowd also there. तो जब आप कुछ हिंदी गाने गाते हो, तो then they start asking for.
This is our request sometimes. The bihu lage, which means we want a bihu song. Yeah. Mostly Assamese people are like, how reggae is to Jamaica or somewhere there.
Got it. Yeah.
So bihu is 12 months in Assam. People just.
It's just that swing, that 6/8.
They love it. Yeah. So they ask for it. Sometimes I said, I just tell them, ओए पहले से अगर बोला ना बिहू मैं नहीं गाऊंगा.
और मैं अगर बोलूँ तो भूमि 26 के लिए. क्या हंस रहा है यार, कमाल कर रहा है बाबू.
कुछ और भी सुन लीजिए.
अरे पर अभी
है हम में बहुत कुछ. अच्छा परख के तो देखिए.
ओके ठीक है. ओके नहीं, बट मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. I'm not just saying it for that. See, the thing is, for you have been born and raised. Your father was an incredible singer. Your mother, exactly, king of Bihu. Your mother is an amazing artist. I mean, like, you were born in that whole legacy. And so for you, it's also like, अरे यार अभी मैं बचपन से सुनते आ रहा हूँ. It's like a lullaby.
Not near there. See, Bihu, but my dad popularized it across Assam and also worldwide in those communities across the world, because Bihu was, and it's a whole long story. It'll take another interview for that. But yeah, so he did it. It was not considered good music for a person from the caste he was in higher. That kind of Mohanto. You're not supposed to sing Bihu. Bihu is derogatory words, people like it's all about love and lust and stuff. But he said, no, this is great vibe and this is our sound, we must do it. He did it against that. It was very difficult to do it that time. So now it's easy to do Bihu. Now he made Bihu popular. I have also done my bit. I have, like, first Coke Studio, Leslie was doing. I know. From there I've been doing Bihu till now, Tilibasi. So let me do other stuff. I'm also wanting to do something else, no? So.
But you enjoyed Ibasi, right?
Of course, I'll always do.
Ibasi is such a cool track, man.
What a track! Even now, also I listen
love
to it.
I listen to it now too. It's
like
beautiful.
When you're driving,
it's fun.
Recently, I was in Chicago to Michigan. We were driving. My friends were listening to it. 1 hour, it was. Just
what if someone else did a Bihu song? Okay, like someone else produced it. Maybe me. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Because I really love it.
Yeah.
That 6/8, that form of that swing, and of course you do better than me, but I'll try to do some swing differently. And I get you to. I mean, you would still not like to sing still?
Of course, like you want to see, Bihu is usually traditional.
Of course.
The tunes are already hundreds of years old, and it's pentatonic. That's similar minor pentatonic. You know the scale, okay? Yeah. But there are nuances of the singing which makes it Bihu. If you make it little murkiya alag this that, then that's not Bihu. Then and even the Bihu beat is khemta actually. You can do that. People do that everywhere, but that is not bihu. You drag it. So these nuances are bihu. So you will pick up a nice traditional bihu maybe. Like Ibasi, I composed it. That melody is not bihu, but it is bihu because it's in me. So yes, if you want to do something else, sing for it. But if you stuck to bihu only, then I would say, like I tell my Assamese audience that Salim, ruk jao, please, kuch aur gaane do.
Achha, okay.
But I would love to do one. We'll do one.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I just love the groove a lot.
It is amazing. Yeah. So maybe you don't get to do that much bihu as much as I do. So maybe that's why you
Of course. The grass is always greener on the other side. Yeah.
No, also you haven't had your quota of bihu. I mean,
Absolutely.
So,
I mean,
we'll do one.
I mean, it would be fun to kind of... You know, I'll tell you, the reason why I said this is because I had gone to Morocco some time back, and I really fell in love with that 6/8. You know, it's a very different 6/8 there. So and then there are so many different 6/8s, and so that's north of Africa.
Even Arabic has a very
this is not. So this is African Arabic. Morocco.
That is what I'm saying.
Is Morocco. African Arabic. It's got a great, and they speak French. Yeah. And it's French and Arabic. It's because it's North Africa. The tradition is Arabic. But it's also African. बहुत ही अलग tradition है. मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ आपको. Algeria and Morocco have a very interesting 6/8, and I've always imagined
Algeria, yes.
when I listen to bihu, I think of that. So I just feel like the world is just an incredible place. You know, has so much.
Recently, I heard something in the US कुछ दिन पहले. So bihu it was. I forgot what it was. I was like, oh.
Man, listen. All I can say, Papon, whatever you be. Whatever you be, just be who you are. Just be who you are.
Just be who you are.
Okay. Some fun stuff on that note.
No, it is amazing. It took me a while. Award. And where's the award?
Be who. It's here.
Okay.
Today's award is Milton. But
goes to you tonight for sure.
Of course. But Papa, on some fun questions on that note. Stage, studio, or mehfil?
Mehfil.
Wow, good. genre आपको लगा ना आपको ये जो गाना हमने किया पहले क्यों ना मिले, we try to create a महफिल only.
महफिल है. You know. मोगरे का फूल बाकी रह गया और एक दो चीजें.
हाँ, वो मोगरे का फूल next आएगा.
बाकी चीजें बाद में.
बिहू में आएगा वो मोगरे का फूल. Okay, a genre that you haven't touched yet and you really want to, Papon.
Wow, I haven't thought like that actually. A lot, maybe jazz blues.
You have done that also.
A bit more.
Okay. More authentic. Your favorite composer, bro, from the golden era.
So difficult.
अरे एक बोल दे.
One नहीं बोल सकते ना. SD.
You just said it. Your current go-to song.
That's SD Burman, by the way. Okay.
Yes, of course it's.
I mean, we know so much, so we just keep it like. Yeah. Okay.
Your current go-to song.
Nothing like that. It's now. पहले क्यों ना मिले.
Oh, I'm grateful. Thank you, bro. What is one non-musical passion that not too many people know about you?
I cut my own hair.
So you're a hairdresser. That's fun, man. That's fun.
That's fun.
All right. खाने के तो हम सभी शौकीन हैं. आप खाना पकाते हो?
बिल्कुल.
Really?
Of course.
What do you make?
Yesterday, I don't really cook every day, but when I cook, apparently I'm really good. My children say. कल मैंने बनाया था bok choy with asparagus and a basa fish, little like crumbled fried radish, and I tossed in a little bit of sesame oil on top with lemon zest.
खाना और गाना एक कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन है दोनों के. मतलब every artist is crazy about food, and दोनों का. अब खाना भी बनाते हो तो ingredients you put, गाना बनाते हो तो the kind of like bass, piano, you know, things you put. If it's too much, then it can get, you know, not too good. Same with food, you know, if it's
100%.
Too many ingredients can get. It's a great combination.
Exactly.
So we thought we'll do a Khana Gana Suhana.
Okay.
Rapid fire. Suhana is also our partners on this.
Okay.
Is there a particular masala, bro, in Assam that the whole world should know about? Something?
Nothing like that, but it's called paspuron, which is actually jeera, sauf, kala jeera, kalonji बोलते उसको, methi and dhania. ये पांचों का combination होता है.
Wow.
एक this just and sabud, not powdered, and you put it in any mix with mustard oil. It just does magic.
This guy, you know so much about masala. Eh? What's it called again?
Paspuron.
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 Paspuron. Wow.
Pass is 5. Yeah. 5. Yeah.
You're a spicy food lover or you're a meetha food lover, sweet?
Both actually.
Yeah, but
Both.
more towards?
Both actually, because, if you like that sweet chili sauce, if you know, it has both the worlds.
Yeah.
So I have a sweet tooth for sure, but I love spicy because Assam has the hottest chili in the world, which is Bhut Jolokia. It is called Bhut Jolokia, which is ghost chili. It is the hottest in the world. So we have really hot stuff, but the sweet is my weakness also.
Crazy, man. You have so much knowledge about food. That's really insane. Well, some masalas here coming your way.
Oh, really?
These guys really make some cool stuff, bro. I mean, I have their...
I came for work and my family will be happier today. Like flasks and masala. And
So, yeah, this is from Suhana Masala, this hamper. And, bro, this is what they do is like, in the studio, I keep some really cool things. Like, they have these really some nice and
nice.
ready-made stuff. The sheer khurma. They make some really good dal khichdi. So, sometimes...
nice. When I travel, I do that.
Bro, it's
All the
really
time.
good. 5 minute mein, 5 nahi,
And
2
for
minute
our
mein.
lives, we really need.
And you need it fast. It's just like hot water and it's great dal khichdi. There's some cool stuff for you here, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Picture? Bhai, I can't thank you enough. Really, this has been one of my most beautiful experiences having you and Shreya on this very special song. मैं शायद शब्दों में नहीं बयां कर सकता हूँ ये गाना मेरे लिए क्या है. And when I heard your voice, मुझे याद है रात को आपने you asked me for the lyrics immediately and you sang it and said, I was like, this guy is super fast. And when you put your vocal down, made me feel lovely.
Thank you. You've created history, actually.
Oh.
I'm sure 4 of us together.
You're very
This
kind,
will
brother.
go down, time. And I have a feeling for this song.
I just have one thing to tell you. पहले क्यों ना मिले?
पहले मिले तो थे लेकिन हम सोचे नहीं कि कुछ करना चाहिए